A very good morning to all the students of class 9th. In the previous video, we have completed till paragraph 8. Now, let's move to the 9th one. Here, we are talking about Albert Einstein's, how he became the university graduate in 1900, how he got the job in 1902, and in 9th paragraph, we are going to do about his achievement he did. One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Absolute means to say measured in itself, not in relation to anything else. He means to in 1905, Einstein gave a special theory of relativity, and what this theory says, that time and distance are not absolute. Not absolute means they can be measured in itself only, not in relation to anything else. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey, if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. He gave an example that if two walks which are showing the correct time, but they are moving at different speed, they cannot show the same time. Means to say there will be a variation in their time, in the time. From this followed the world's most famous formula, which describes the relationship between mass and energy. So, by following this theory, he gave a formula which shows the relationship between mass and energy. And what is the formula? You might have studied in your science subject. E is equivalent to mc square. E is equivalent to mc square. In this mathematical equation, E stands for energy, m stands for mass, and c for the speed of the light in a vacuum, about 3 lakhs kilometer per second. So, vacuum means without air, a place without air. So, here the speed of the particle is near about 3 lakh kilometer per second. When you hear Einstein, to explain his theory, he gives a very light type of example that is very easy to understand. When you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. He gave a theory that if you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. When you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That's relativity. Means to say, you are sitting on a hot stove or you are sitting with a pretty girl. You are the mass, but atmosphere, surrounding, temperature, everything affects you. So, he says that sitting with a nice girl, speed of the time becomes faster, means 2 hours seems like 2 minutes. But if you are sitting on a hot stove, even 2 minutes can make you feel that you are sitting here for 2 hours. Understood, everyone? So, let's move to the next paragraph. 10th one. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Unraveling means to say starting to fail, means to say his personal life, his private life, or you can say his married life was suffering. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies. अपना पढ़ाई खत्म करने के तुरंत बाद अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन मिलेवा से शादी करना चाहते थे, मैरिज करना चाहते थे, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son. Why she was not happy? Why she was against this marriage? Because Mileva was 3 years older than her son Albert Einstein and was too old for him. She thinks that she is too old for him. There should be some younger girl for him. So she was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. Mileva's intelligence means to say कि वो मिलेवा के इंटेलिजेंस से भी बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान थी. She is a book like you, his mother said. Einstein put the wording off. She is a book like you. वो ठीक तुम्हारी तरह ही एक किताब है, means she is as intelligent as you, so it might be your married life will suffer a lot. That's why Einstein put off the marriage. Put off the marriage means he postponed the marriage. But the pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. In 1903, this couple got married and they had 2 sons also. But few years later, the marriage faltered. Their marriage got failed. It became weaker. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. What was the reason? That it has already been told you that Mileva was as intelligent as Einstein, but she has also some intellectual ambitions that she cannot fulfill, and that's why she was getting unhappy. She was an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year, and after prolonged fighting for so many years, in 1919 both Mileva and Einstein got separated. They divorced each other, and in the same year Einstein married his cousin Elsa. 12th paragraph. Einstein's new proposal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. Einstein's new personal chapter, sorry, I read it wrong. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. Coincided means two different things are happening at the same time. That is coincidence that you call. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, which proved a new interpretation of gravity. New interpretation means it gave a new new thinking about the gravity, and this theory was given in 1915 by Albert Einstein. And what was this what was the theory? General theory of relativity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Means whatever calculation were made by Albert Einstein in 1915 proved correct in 1919 when there was an eclipse. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. होता क्या है? When the light from the other stars goes to the sun and it reflects, it deflected means changed direction, and it can give a different view, different angle of that star from if we see it from the earth. And this scientific theory, this scientific situation proved his theory of relativity correct. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution, and he was given, all the newspapers were only talking about his achievement. It was the scientific revolution.